Level progression configuration. In this tutorial, we'll walk through how auto-level progression works. Navigate to Class. Click on Level Progression tab. A level progression program groups a sequence of classes into levels, for example, Level 1, Level 2, Level 3, and so on. The number of levels isn't fixed. A program can have as many levels as needed. Each level is its own class, and each class can have multiple sections. When setting this up, two things matter. You set a notification lead time. How many days before a class ends, the system should notify parents about the next level. The system enforces one rule automatically. The first class day of the next level must fall after the last class day of the current level. This prevents overlapping or out-of-order levels. Class sequence assignment. Select necessary classes for defining the level progressions. Click Assign to confirm the level assignment. Click Update to save the level progression program. Student enrollment and payment. A student gets enrolled into a levels class as usual. This is where the progression sequence begins for them. As the current class nears completion, the system checks eligibility. If the student meets the criteria, they become eligible for auto progression into the next level. At the configured number of days before the class ends, the system automatically sends an email to the parent, notifying them that their child is eligible to move to the next level and prompting them to enroll. In the mail, click the payment link within the level progression enrollment notification. The parent receives this email and completes payment for the next level's class. Once payment is completed, the student is automatically enrolled into the next level's class. No manual action needed from admin. Review the payment confirmation and transaction record. Navigate to the enrollment page in the admin dashboard. On Admin Portal, select the student's name to verify and process the order. That's auto-level progression. It keeps students moving through a program's levels in the correct order, with parents notified and payment handled before enrollment locks in.